There you go. Thumb is going to be up here a little bit more. Okay. Now, wrap your hand around. Bring it back. There you go. And then just keep it right there. Just like that. Put this one on top of this one. Perfect. Okay. Now squeeze tight. Right here on the. There you go. Just like that. So, lean into it. There you go. Now, open your stance, shoulder width.
Brass in between or not?
Take a half step back with your right foot. There you go. Just like that. So now you're standing. Now, don't let me push you backwards, okay? See, you're letting me push you. Don't let me push you. Lean into it. There you go. Nice and tight. Feel that? That's how you want to shoot, okay? So, get a magazine, load it up, all right? I'll show you how to do it. Where's the magazine? That's it?
Right there. Yeah.
There you go.
That black one.
Okay. There you go.
See, like
See
some
that? Push it straight down. Push it really hard with your thumb. There you go.
You got
now
it.
it's ready to shoot. Okay.
Got it.
Hand back like I showed you.
Yeah, I think it.
There you go. Just like that. The thumb up here. Now, remember, this hand's going to get right there. Just like that. Perfect.
She did.
Feels good? Nice grip. Okay, lean into it.
Oh, really?
Now, this is what I want you to do. Don't let me push you again. Nice and tight. Now, what we're going to do right now is called firing for familiarization. You're not going to shoot to hit it. You're going to shoot it just to feel what the gun feels like. Okay? When I say,
Yeah, I just.
when I say now, fire one time. Pull the trigger. There you go. Now bring it into your chest. Take a deep breath.
Yeah.
Feel it? Okay.
I,
Okay? It's not going to get any worse than that. You got it, though. Feels good. Okay?
I probably will.
Just
Not,
When I say now,
yeah.
nope. It's already done. Lean in. Right, point it. Pull. There you go. Take a deep breath. Right? You got all day. Take 4. Are you ready?
So I want to ask.
This time you do it on your own, okay? Lean into it. There you go. Take a deep breath. See? Feels good, right? Exactly. When you don't do that, shaking, you don't know what's going to happen. Now that you've done it, you're like, oh, okay, it's not that bad. I understand it. It's really better. I'm okay with it, okay? Try it one more time. Pull it. Now bring it in. All right, nice. You're good. Good. Doesn't matter what it is. All you have to do is more on the cardboard. That's the size of a full-grown adult. More on the cardboard, you're good. Okay? Now we're going to aim. Now, don't fire it. Squeeze it until it gets tight and then hold it. Okay? Now, here's what you do. One sight. Dead center on the top center target. Okay? Got it? Line up the back.
What? They might be heavy.
Got this red dot sitting inside of this. Okay. Same thing. When you're ready, squeeze. You hit the bottom target.
If it's heavy, let me know.
Good job. So you didn't shoot him in the chest, you shot him in the stomach. Okay, you blew his guts out. Oh my God. Yeah, right? Okay. Lean in, all the way in. There you go. Okay? Hold it. Hold it. Front with the front side. Target blurry. Slow. See it? Slowly squeeze. Yeah, you almost got a shot out of the center.
Nice shot, Ava.
Right on top. See it? Outstanding. See that?
do you-
See? You can do it. All it is confidence, and you got to be proud now. Once you do it, look what you did. You just shot the guy dead in his neck. That was a hard shot to make.
That's a great thing. Good
Yeah.
for you, kid.
Thank you.
Great job.
And that's a far target. That's far for a pistol. This, you should be shooting where the shadow line is. Okay? So when you're ready, aim it again.
Anything goes.
Lean into it, lean into it. Take your time. Okay. Front side, center of the target. hold the trigger tight. Take a deep breath, slowly let it out, and squeeze it until the gun. There you go. Good job. You hit the center one.
I might have a loss. Go get another.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're doing fine. Every one of